Welcome to today's hands-on. We'll be learning about views in Unity Catalog. Let's click on SQL query. Now, I'll be displaying from the previous table, that is people table, so that we can understand what a view is all about. First things first, please note we need to select the appropriate, we'll go to demo catalog here, then demo schema. Otherwise, this won't run. Then, since we are serverless starter SQL warehouse, it will start automatically. I'll click on run here and it says attach and run. I'll click. Now it's running. Let the data get populated. We'll understand view. Why do we need it, right? So if we look here now, we got name, age, city. So let's say now I don't need age. The business doesn't want to know the age. They are just concerned about the name of the people and in which city these people are living, right? We don't need age. How do we display it to the business? So that there what view comes into picture. So views are saved queries. We can make our queries where it will appear as if in a table age is not there, right? So views are saved queries, which simplifies data access by definition. Let's implement this now. I'll click on plus query. Now before running, let's again select our demo catalog, then demo schema. And here basically we are creating a view. If we look, the command goes or the query goes create view, then the our view name, that is city view. So now let's validate the data. The command is simple and it's just like a select star from table. What we do, that's how we do for the view as well. Select, instead of table name, we give the view name. This view will be treated like a table now. Let's select this and run this. And there we go, as mentioned. So now the business doesn't need to know the age of the person. Since they are just concerned about the name of the person and where they are living, that's how we display it to them. The actual table, if we look the data, looks something like this. And the business doesn't want the age column here. That's why we have created one view to present out to the business. That's what is the concept of views. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.